Are you looking for the top 5 best dash cams? In this video, we will look at some of the best dash cams on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Thinkware X1000. Capable yet accessible, Thinkware's X1000 comes bundled with everything you need to record front and rear. Its best attribute is its ease of use. With a large 3.5-inch touchscreen and icon-based interface, it's simple to configure. It can also work standalone, without a partner app. Both cameras offer a 2560x1000 440 resolution and a wide 156-degree field of view. We found that footage was dependably impressive, with plenty of detail and decent dynamic range, even in dim and dark conditions. You will need to hardwire it for the full set of features, including parking surveillance. In testing, fitting the cabling required care, but wasn't too difficult for a novice. There's no Wi-Fi for cloud backups, while GPS requires an optional accessory, as does radar detection. But if you're looking for a stress-free and reliable dash cam, the X1000 does much to impress. At number 2. Nexor Pro. Aimed at those who spend extended periods behind the wheel, the Nexor Pro is a dual-cam solution that can record video both inside and outside a vehicle. Comprised of 2 separate camera units connected by a cable, we found the setup to be pretty neat, even if it took up a fair bit of screen real estate. The Nexor app is central to the twin-camera experience. It's where you can fine-tune settings, generate incident reports, and back-recorded clips up to the cloud. Nexor bundles cloud storage in for free. Other useful tools include break-in alerts if someone tries to tamper with your car, as well as GPS data logging. This dashcam doesn't record in 4 Kelvin, but we found its 1080p video to be perfectly serviceable. The external camera fares well even in tricky shooting situations, from heavy rain to bright sunshine. At number 3. Nextbase 622GW. The Nextbase 622GW is a new flagship dashcam, and it's proven itself as the best dashcam you can buy right now. In our tests, it delivered much improved video quality and better stabilization, along with the inclusion of what 3 words geolocation services for pinpointing stricken vehicles within a 3-meter radius. When we chose to shoot in 4K 30p, the resulting footage looked almost cinematic in its presentation, with extremely crisp definition and great detail, even in poor lighting. This makes it much easier to pinpoint registration numbers or pick out hard-to-see elements of an accident. We found that it still had trouble connecting with phones to transfer images and video clips. Thankfully, the 3-inch rear touchscreen is crisp, clear, and very easy to use, while the inclusion of what 3 words combines well with Nextbase's emergency SOS feature, which you get a year's free subscription for with this dash cam. At number 4. Neatly designed and relatively compact, the Venturi One is an attractive dash cam that's capable of recording 2.5K video at 30 feet. It can also capture full HD footage at a smoother 60 feet for additional detail while you drive. Results are sharp night and day, with accurate colors and acceptable noise in low light. Our testing revealed that the optional polarizing filter reduces dashboard reflections. The E1's magnetic mount works well, but the lack of sideways adjustments limits its use if you can't fit it centrally. If you can, you'll find its 160-degree angle captures a wide view of what's ahead. A tiny 1.54-inch screen offers a handy preview when installing, but the smartphone app is more useful to tweak settings. Driver assistance is left to your vehicle, but the E1 still has a solid set of features. That includes GPS tracking, Wi-Fi connectivity, and a remote for wirelessly saving footage. At number 5. The Garmin Mini 2 is a tiny dash cam that all but disappears behind your car's rear view mirror, yet boasts full HD video with HDR, voice control that actually works reliably, a decent smartphone app, and a dead simple magnetic mounting system. Installing the Mini 2 is the same as other members of the Garmin dashcam family. We found the setup process took just a few minutes with the use of Garmin's Drive smartphone app iOS and Android. The simple but effective mounting system comprises a ball and socket joint for positioning the camera at the perfect angle, while a coin-sized magnet that sticks to your windscreen and holds the dashcam securely in place. The Garmin Dashcam Mini 2 will leave you wanting for very little. Simple, subtle, and reliable. It's the definition of set and forget technology. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Until next time, I'll see you later.